This is Chris from ModeMunch and welcome to Fast Food Fight, the show that reviews popular dishes from fast food chains, recreates them and make them look and taste like their retail products, all whilst reducing the cost. Imagine juicy, baked, tender, zesty, hot and spicy supercharged sauce and lettuce wrapped in a warm flatbread. Bit scungy size-wise, but what do you expect? Hey, looks like even the chicken wants to abandon ship. Still, for $2.95, it's a spicy meat parcel that will make your nose run and your eyes water. Just like this episode's sponsor, Cameltoes yoga wear. They're sporting attire that always goes the distance. And while you're fingering the screen, smash me button and jingle me bell. Worth noting, Kfc tenders on the slider aren't the same as the baked one. So find a nice chook, kill it and cut off its tip. Then cut it down to make it look like a knob. Make sure it's dead by drowning it in boiling water. Add some chicken broth cubes, some white vinegar and some lemon juice. Boil till cooked through. Once done, set and leave aside. Oil up the pan and place the tender inside the brown. Place 1 teaspoon of mustard powder on top and caramelise the chicken tender. Next, add some teriyaki sauce and keep stirring till coated brown. It should end up looking like a beige dunny flatter. Next, warm up your flatbread. Supercharged sauce is easily made from sweet chili, sriracha, mayo, oregano, turmeric and ground cumin seeds. Personally, I thought cumin was a squirting seed. Speaking of squirting, Cameltoes yogurt went right up in you and goes for long periods of time without water, just like a real camel. Now add some paprika and stir it into that sauce. Shred your lettuce, get your tortilla, add your sauce, add your lettuce, finally add that extra chicken tender. Came in at $1.20. This has been Chris from ModeMunch and I'll see you next Tuesday. Grab!